So this is the latest update of the tiny house. They're slowly going back to work. It's only 2 workers there. And as you can see, they have put the windows in. That's what I can see from here. There's already a window. So I'm going in. So there's one window already installed. It is just an ordinary analog window. The glass is just ordinary. And another thing that they have done is the tiling. You notice the tiles also match the wooden cladding. So it looks like wood as well. There. So the color is almost the same as the paluchina wood that they have clad on the walls. So one window has been installed. So the window is gonna be like this. And another thing that they have done is tiling the toilet. So this is the toilet area. They have tiled the wall of the toilet with white tiles. Again, in the same line, tiled like the wall cladding, but in white. And this is the wall cladding that they use, the paluchina. I will be giving you the prices of the materials used here, so I know how much is it if you're planning to build something like this. But I also have taken the number of the contractors. Usara lagi ka bintana, Pin? Tana ba? Wa pa lagi usara? Wa pa ang uban. Kamo rin nag-install na? So they're just practicing having a sample for one window. So they're the one who installed this one, another contractor, the window that is already installed here. So the door is still open, white. So it's all over white, white ceiling, white walls, and white floors. And here is the floor tiled in the same wood effect, like the cladding. So overall outside, they also have put that, if you see, the ceiling there, the awning for the front of the house, so the rain won't go through. So they have put the roof in there on the front. That's another thing they have done. And also on the top, they have put the ceiling, the fiberboard ceiling board on the top. So there is the roof on the front to serve like an awning for the front door. So that is the color of the roof that they put in, a color roof, brown, that they put in here on the front of the front door, the awning on the front door, awning roof. And they also cemented the front footpath, like the area for in coordinating with the awning roof that was created on the front. Like a fascia roof. So overall, that's what's the progress of the tiny house so far. They got one window in, tiling, cementing on the front, and putting the fascia roof on the front, or the awning roof, so the rain won't go through directly in. And on the top they have the ceiling put in, and most of the cladding are already done. And you can see this front still open because that will be like a open balcony. I believe it will be, because there's no provision for like any partition. It might be a sliding door for a little balcony here on the front, up the bedroom. So there is the update of the tiny house. The work has stopped since the holiday, so this is just one couple person there finishing the tiling.